Hello, thanks for coming back. So, I am going to turn off this disk drive and disconnect all the little plugs that are part of the current drive mechanism that is connected. And of course, they've been on there for a very long time, and they often will put up some level of resistance. But we gotta come off. And then I will connect. Oh, don't get them mixed up. Hang on here. Right. I will connect all the connectors from this other drive, which is no good. But yet I must try. I must try. Okay, where is... Where's the one for the head? Ah, there it is. It's hiding. Okay. This is kind of critical. And of course I put it on. Okay, it's on. So now, when I turn this on, this drive will light up. And it should be, if it will fail this, I will run the performance test. It will send the command. Unit is failing. Continue. Yes. It's going to try and do other things. It's just going to fail. Yes. It's not going to be able to do any of that. Okay. So, it's not good. So, what I think I'm going to do is turn this drive off. And with great care, see about spinning this around so that I can get at this. This is really only limited by these cords. Which may be, indeed, a limiting factor. Okay, just you sit there for a second. Sit there for a second. Okay, hang on here. Just need more cord. Which there is more. Okay. So now, I have this all turned around. And of course, if I run this again, device not present. Yes, when you do not turn something on, it will not be present. So when I turn this on, it will fail. So what I'm going to do now, if I am able, but I may not. Once again, these screws have something like Loctite on them. And that is frustrating. That I'm just going to look, see if I have a different screwdriver that might help. I don't believe so. I think this is much the same. Yeah, this is not going well. I'm going to look and see. See, even though Phillips screwdrivers are kind of a regulation size, there are differences. This is not the same. This is a funny screwdriver that I have that has an assortment of bits that fold out and fold down. It's rather vintage. And then you push everything back inside. And I think it has a ratchet feature to it. But I don't think it's going to help. Oh, it's just turning. Alright, drive off. Unplug all the connectors. This is where I gotta be careful, but we gotta, I mean, there's only one thing, brute force, along with gravity. And I don't think it's gonna happen. If I could get one, that would give me some hope that I could get the other. It's not going well. Not well at all. I'll look back in here. I thought maybe I have some other screwdriver bits. But I don't see anything like that there. Because if I did, I could try something in here. You know what? I think it's time to once again take a break. Sometimes you just gotta walk away. Because this is not going well. Not going well at all. So before something else goes wrong, I will go look for some bits and I will see what I can find and we'll see if there's any hope. Ugh. Right now, I am not optimistic and I'm getting hot and sweaty and pissed off. Those are not good things when trying to work on something delicate. So, stay tuned. Bye for now.